Hi and good afternoon. My name is Mr. Henry Paz. I mean Elton John Coopata. A quote from an anonymous author is quote: "Copying extensively from one source is plagiarism. Copying extensively from several is research." When I was in high school, Mr. Artel Almonte told us that in order to have a good research is to have at least 3 sources. What experiences and investigation are tools in most researches. What is field research? According in words of Gregory Hamilton, he told us that field research is gathering information by observation, interview, survey, and research. Experience. What is experience? Experience is what we have encountered. We can use that before our research. We can ponder first before doing research, so that we can gather ideas. We know what we need to find. Number 2, don't overlook experiences, because if you overlook experiences, it will bolster your key points. It will never gonna help much of your research. Number 2 is an investigation. Investigation is utilizing interview, survey, or observation. It also utilizes researches in books, articles, and in the internet. Remember, avoid using Wikipedia, Blogspot, or even forums, because it may give you a wrong detail about some premises. To sum it up, experience and investigation are tools for field research. Remember, experiences are used before researches and in order for you to have an idea, and then investigation is using surveys and interviews. One thing I suggest of you is to gather lots of data in order for you to have a better research. Thank you.